Should you buy a stone house? The pros and cons explained. Dear friends thinking about buying or building a stone house? One major advantage is durability. Natural stone is extremely strong and can withstand harsh weather, moisture, and everyday wear better than many conventional materials. Stone also provides excellent thermal mass. It can help keep interiors cooler during hot days and retain warmth when temperatures drop, potentially improving indoor comfort. Another benefit is appearance. Stone gives a home a timeless, premium look that rarely goes out of style. It can also increase the property's visual appeal and character. But stone houses have disadvantages too. First, construction can be expensive. Quality stone, skilled labor, transportation, and proper structural detailing can significantly increase the overall budget. Stone can also be heavy. Depending on the design, the structure may require stronger foundations and careful engineering. Maintenance is another consideration. While stone itself is durable, joints, sealants, drainage, and moisture protection may still require periodic attention. And don't forget insulation. Stone walls alone don't automatically make a house energy efficient. Modern insulation, waterproofing, and ventilation are still important. So, should you buy a stone house? If you value durability, natural beauty, and long-term character, stone can be an excellent choice. But if your priority is low construction cost and quick building, conventional construction may be more practical. The key is choosing the right stone, design, and construction method for your climate and budget. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.